So welcome back. We are going to continue with our time conversion example. This is example 2. So let's get into action right away. If you leave Guyana by plane at 2 p.m. and are scheduled to reach Trinidad 1 hour later and wish to telephone someone in Trinidad to let them know the time you will arrive, calculate the local time in Trinidad when your plane is scheduled to land. Show your working and express your answer in 24-hour clock. So first we have to pick out the important information and make the connection. They then give us a GTM time to work with. They're giving us some information, they're giving us some word type problem to take your brain. So let's get into the reasoning how we're gonna get our answer. So Guyana is 3 hours behind the GTM time. Trinidad is 4 hours behind the GTM time. And your plane is to leave Guyana at 2 p.m. and which means Trinidad, when it's 2 p.m. in Guyana, it will be 3 p.m. in Trinidad because Trinidad is 1 hour behind Guyana. So you guys understand that? Guyana is 3 hours behind GTM time. Trinidad is 4 hours behind. The difference between the two is 1 hour. So when it's 2 p.m. in Guyana, it will be obviously 3 p.m. in Trinidad. So let's get into our solution. These are the information that they give us. Guyana is 3 hours behind GTM time. Trinidad is 4 hours behind the GTM time. The time in Guyana is 2 p.m. This is what they give us. Now the other information that I'm going to provide here is what we have to deduce or derive. Since Trinidad is 1 hour behind Guyana, the time in Trinidad will be 3 p.m. So when it's 2 p.m. in Guyana, it will be 3 p.m. in Trinidad. It takes 1 hour to travel from Guyana to Trinidad. So when we are leaving Guyana at 2 p.m., the time will be 3 p.m. in Trinidad. And since we take 1 hour to travel, when 1 hour move along, the time will be 4 p.m. in Trinidad. So therefore we arrive at Trinidad approximately 4 p.m. and we have to convert 4 p.m. to 24-hour format. We have 1600 hours, so you can call it or tell a person to come and pick you up at 1600 hours in Trinidad time. Working, the time in Guyana is 2 p.m. The time in Trinidad is 3 p.m. The time you have to travel is 1 hour. 1 plus 3 equal 4 p.m. Then we convert 4 p.m. to 1600 hour. We have one more example to work on time conversion for travel arrangement, and then we're going to move on to our next topic. So see you in the next video.